Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm bringing another survey site that if you sign up as from today, you begin to make money. This survey site is known as Surveytime. Surveytime is a get instantly rewarded survey site where you get rewarded for each and every $1 that you make on the platform. Unlike other platforms where there is a threshold, and once you make this $1, you can cash out using PayPal, Coinbase, and Amazon gift cards. Coinbase is being rewarded with Bitcoin. So this is some of the positive reviews for Surveytime. How does Surveytime works? You sign up for a Surveytime free account. You tell the site about yourself by completing an introductory survey. Then you start earning for surveys. And for every survey that you complete on this platform and you make $1, you are free to cash out using PayPal, Amazon card, or Coinbase. Why should you use Surveytime to make money online? Number one, there is no threshold. There is no withdrawal threshold where you need to reach a certain amount before you cash out your money. Once you make $1, you can cash out with PayPal, Coinbase, or Amazon gift card. Number two, there is a notification for each and every new survey that you have on the platform. And also, with Surveytime, it brings you the most relevant surveys which matches your survey interest based on your responses to the introductory survey, and which increase your chances to make more money on the platform. And with $1 reward from this system, from this site, when you make $1 on this site, you have the chance to withdraw the $1 using PayPal, Coinbase, or Amazon gift cards. You also choose your method of payment. You may either choose PayPal, Amazon, or Coinbase. I have made a video on how to create a PayPal account. I'm going to leave it on the description box. And also, Surveytime is a global site where you take up surveys, whether you are in America or in the Philippines or anywhere, you get rewarded the same. Unlike other survey sites where other countries have more advantage than others. So here, whether you take up a survey for 5 minutes or for 15 minutes, you earn the same as people living in other countries. So this is the advantage of Surveytime over other survey sites that I have come across. So you can go ahead and click this video and watch. Learn what Surveytime is all about.
Completing surveys online can be frustrating.
I'm here to make it simple.
Welcome to Surveytime.
Follow me.
Watch this video anytime. So I'm just going to you can sign up for an account with your Google or with your Facebook account, with email. I'm going to sign up with my Google account. As you can see, when I sign up with my Google account, it will lead me to this section where they say you need to take 2 minutes to fill up a questionnaire based on yourself, so that they will match each survey with your profile and preferences, so that each time they are giving a survey, it should match with your preference and your profile. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter some of the basic information concerning myself, such as my day of birth, my year of birth, my month of birth. Then I will just answer a few questions so that surveys can be matched based on these questions that I'm being asked to answer on this profile section. As you can see, let me just go ahead and do so. So when you are signing up for a survey account, do the same. So they say here, how will you like to be rewarded? Will you like to be rewarded through Amazon gift cards, or through PayPal, or Coinbase, or you want to decide later? So I'm just going to choose Coinbase. No, let me not choose Coinbase. Let me choose PayPal. Let me choose PayPal. I should be rewarded through PayPal. So when I do that, I click on next. Then all I need to do, they say, what do you have? We do not have $1 survey available for you right now. Are you willing to participate in 0.5? I say yes, of course. Then I'm going to go over to my Gmail and to activate my Surveytime account. So I'm just going to click on the message that has been sent to me by Surveytime. Then I click on verify your account. Then I still answer this question to participate in the 5 cent dollar survey. So guys, that is how you can set up for an account with Surveytime, and for each and every dollar that you make on this platform, you have the possibility to cash out the money using PayPal, Amazon gift card, or Coinbase, which Bitcoin is being paid out to your Coinbase account. You can download Surveytime app to your mobile phone and sign up for an account. But if you want to use your browser, all you need to do is to type in surveytime.io, and it will lead you to this official site where you will be directed to sign up for an account with Surveytime. Then follow this video to sign up for an account and begin to make money online on Surveytime. So if you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you will get a notification. Also, I have equally made videos on other survey sites on this channel, such as Ysense, Future Point, and many others. I'm going to leave all the links of those survey tutorials on the comments, on the description box below. So make sure you click on those links, follow the videos, and learn how you can make money with other survey sites, and watch, and you begin to make money as I make each and every single day.